Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error 0xc00007b in Windows. So how we can fix it? First we need to open Google and just write in Google VC++, and here you will see the latest redistribution and just choose it. Download Visual C++ redistributed. So just choose here language and just click download, and also just check if it's official site, because you can also download some corrupted files if you download it not from official site. So here you just choose version X, so it's for X, it's for 64 version and for 32 bits version. So just choose your version and click next. So thanks for downloading Visual C++. Here you can see that also our download starts. If it doesn't start automatically, just click here to download it manually. Here you can see blue color, text with blue color, and just click there. So just open it after it will download, and just wait after it will open with new window with installation. So here you can see it. Just I accept, install. Also I have the latest version installed on my computer, so I can't install now older version. So after I do it, just try to install DirectX, the latest version of DirectX. Here you can see official site, Microsoft, download DirectX, and just choose here language and choose download. So now our download automatically starts. If not, just click here to download it manually and just click on our download. Click yes, I accept the agreement, and click next. Next. So now you just need to wait some time after it will install it to your computer, all the components, and after it will finish, here you can see DirectX setup has determined that a newest or equivalent version of DirectX has been installed already. No installation is necessary. So I have also this version of DirectX, but you can also update it if you have some older version. So just click finish and just go to power and choose power and choose restart your computer, and after do it just try to open your application and everything will work. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.